Hey, what is kicking, guys? This is Kicksappear again with another sneaker review. In this episode, we will be going through Adidas' most high-tech release to date. These are the Futurecraft 4D. There has been a lot of hype on these recently, so this will be a great chance for me to once and for all tell you guys what I think about Adidas' newest development in footwear. So what exactly is the hype behind the Futurecraft? According to Adidas, this is the first high-performance running shoe based on data-driven design. This is only possible thanks to a new midsole crafted using a 3D printing process known as digital light synthesis. In essence, this single-component high-performance midsole is made using Carbon's breakthrough 3D printing technology where liquid is transformed into solids using both light and oxygen. If this is a little way too much for you to comprehend, trust me, you're not alone. This midsole is also comprised of over 20,000 struts tuned to enhance control on energy return while providing long-lasting cushioning and stability. With all of this being said, I found these to be extremely similar to the Ultra Boost in terms of comfort. The Prime Knit does a fantastic job keeping the pair light and breathable, while the 3D printed midsole gives great cushioning and stability. In terms of sizing, they fit surprisingly snug, so I definitely would not recommend going true to size on these. As for design, the overall look is very simplistic, with most of the details focused on the mint color 3D printed midsole. Prime Knit can be found over the upper of the Futurecraft, giving it a heavy resemblance to a refined version of the Ultra Boost 1.0. In regards to availability, the Futurecraft first appeared as a proof of concept back in April 2017. The ash green colorway you see here was released on January 18th for $300 at select retailers, in addition to a white ash green colorway releasing a month after. Both releases had very limited quantities, with resale prices going for over $1,000 to $1,500 for a size 9. All in all, after taking the sneaker industry by storm with their Boost foam, Adidas decided right away to work on their next generation product. The Futurecraft 4D represents new design and manufacturing principles for Adidas, giving us a quick glimpse for what's to come in the near future. While the availability of these is quite limited at the moment and resale prices are sky high, I'm confident that as any new technology, prices will drop as soon as we see more and more releases featuring this revolutionary midsole throughout the year. One thing's for sure though, this is an important piece of sneaker history. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also enable notifications for Kicksappear so you never miss out on the latest video. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.